Yeah, okay na. Hi guys! Welcome to our 6th accounting quiz show. All right. All right. Hi Kensel, good evening. Kensel, mauna na po ako mag-comment. Saan po mag-attendance? Actually dito lang naman sa chat box. Ayan. Wala naman tayong official na other na pag-attendancean. Okay? All right. I think we can start na, no? While waiting for the others, let's officially start yung program. Okay. So let me share again my presentation to you guys. Sabi ni Patricia, good evening po. Good evening din, Patricia. Ayan. All right. So welcome again, guys, to our 6th accounting quiz show. Ayan. And I hope that you are all ready to win. Ready na ba, Kensel? It's your time to shine. Kenzel? Good evening, Juvic. Ayan. Dito lang, Patricia, sa chat box. Just to know that meron na akong kinakausap. Yan. Actually, you can join yung Zoom para kung if ever meron kayong questions or if ever meron kayong gustong or kung gusto niyo mag-participate live, pwede naman. Ayan. I think na-share ko naman dun sa invitation yung yung Zoom link. Okay? All right. We have 10 viewers now, so I think we can already start na, guys. All right. So let me introduce myself again. So I'm Ed, actually Edgardo La Madrid, and for short, you can just call me Ed. And let me share to you the first accounting quiz show winners after our 5th accounting quiz show winners. So for the first accounting quiz show winner, we have Nestor, John, and Jaya. And for the second accounting quiz show, we have makatulang pangalan. We have Tope or Christopher. And then from third accounting quiz show, we have Monha, which is nakatalikod, masyado siyang busy, from the National University of Manila. And then we have RJ, which is also the 5th accounting quiz show winner. Yan, si RG. And also we have Jessa and JV. So right now, sino kaya ang mananalo, guys? I hope na everyone is ready for this event. Although I think Kensel is stock knowledge again, no? Ayan. Sa bagay, magaling ka naman. Ayan. Good evening din, Pixel. Good evening, Pamela. Good evening, Allen. Ayan. Okay. So today's participant, actually, we are being attended by around 40 plus. Ayan. So hinihintay na lang natin sila. Baka na late lang, no? Let me just look kung sino na yung mga present, guys, ah. Sino na ang mga present today? Sino nang present? We have Kensel, we have J-Real, we have Allen. I think bago sa kanila yung yung quiz show. Di alam na nag-start tayo ng exactly 7 p.m. Ayan. But anyways, let's just wait for around 2 minutes, guys. Before natin i-start yung yung official na rules. Baka lang kasi hindi sila familiar sa rules and kung mag-join sila by after 5 minutes, hindi na nila makuha yung yung flow ng discussion. Okay? So let's just wait for some minutes. Mga 2 minutes. Anyways, while waiting, you can check on your profile, on the profile of the participants here. You can check on their Facebook or you can check their LinkedIn. para mag-professional networking muna tayo habang naghihintay ng around mga 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? So let's check. Dapat cancel, meron ka na ngayong bagong friend Juvic. Okay? So I'll just pause for a while guys. All right. Meron ka nang na-add, Cancel? Paano po makasali sa quiz? Ay, sir, wala ka po ako na-add. Hala, dapat meron kang ma-add, Cancel. Actually, when you join professional events like this, for example, short accounting quiz show, dapat meron kayong na-add yan, ng mga bagong friends. Okay? Christian, paano po makasali sa quiz? Actually, I will start na yung quiz. So, explain ko na yung mga mechanics. Okay? So, I think we can start na, guys. So, again, let me share to you yung mga participants for today's event. So, bali ang nag-register today, actually medyo marami. 40 plus, but since we are still waiting for them, no? Let's just mention their names. Habang hindi pa sila nag-o-online. So, we have Daniel from Dr. Filimon Aguilar Memorial College of Las Piñas. Also, we have Jezabel. Welcome back, Jezabel, from DFCMCA MCLP. And we have Benziel from Southville International School and Colleges. We also have Hassan Kazim, from Kwara State University, from Nigeria. Ayan. And also we have Kenzel Lawas. Welcome back, Kenzel, from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. We also have Gemaline from SLSU San Juan. Actually, we have so many participants today from SLSU San Juan. Sino po nag-invite sa inyo? Teacher niyo ba si Sir Alan Adriatico? Guys? Nora, saan po lalagay ang answers? I will explain po later. Anyways, let's continue, guys, while waiting for your answer. So we have Gemaline Santa Ana Caseñas from Southeastern Leyte State University. We have also Rhea May Algiria. We have Edel Madraso. We have Demi Romblon. We have Janelle Silicio Billesteros. We have Jean Rhea Edol, which is also from the Southern Leyte State University, San Juan. Also from SLSU, San Juan, we have Diana Sheen Bincolado. We have Romelin Resos. We have Alan Jacob Monterradamos. We have Pamela Casas Donaire. Kaano-ano mo si Donaire. We have Ramsey May Gamana. We have Leonardo Mercader. Welcome back, Leonardo, from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila. We have Norlin Bantugan from PUP Santa Maria, Bulacan. Welcome back, Nora. We also have Mary Christine Priya from SLSU, San Juan. Ayan. Maraming na-recruit si Sir Alan Adriatico. Baka teacher nyo to, no? We also have Larby Clasco from SLSU and Marimay Calapre Japson from SLSU also. We also have Melody Uy Ablanque from SLSU and Christian from University of Caloocan City. And let's check guys kung may nagsabi na kung sino nag-add. Wala pa rin. Okay. So we also have Gemaline Caseñas from SLSU, Jackie De La Serna, Baby Jairil Gregana, Maria Monica Paula, John Lloyd Niala, Mary Angel Tesado, Cristel Tesado, Cristel Malunas. We also have Leia Del Rosario, Larvic Lasco, Roda Sahut, Jeanette R. Toong, Ray Mariel Ibas, LSLU, SLSU. Guys, let me know lang kung malinaw yung voice ko Yes, may mention kita ngayon, Alan Jacob Angeles. Kanina. Alright. Teacher niyo ba si Sir Alan Adriatico? Alan? Okay, let's continue guys. We have Maria Hape L. Maskasukol. We also have Mahinay. We also have Jenny Mekati Alote from SLSU. And then from Rizal College of Taal, we have Jubic Andes. Also, we have Princess Paula Lim from SLSU and Edelo Madraso from SLSU. Chantel Batelier, Denete Pinza, Maria Juliet Bautista from SLSU. Ayan. Okay, guys. I think we can start na. So here are the official rules. Okay? So the questions will be answered on accountingupgrade.com website. So kung mapapansin nyo, I have pinned na yung website dun sa chat box. So dun sa chat box, makikita nyo yung accountingupgrade.com 6 quiz show. So dun sa link na yon, yun yung gagamitin natin to answer this event. Okay? So all answers will be automatically checked and be given a corresponding point for each correct answer. So hindi na po natin siya manual na i-compute, but after ng quiz, automatically na natin na malalaman kung sino yung nanalo based on sa automatic computation ng system. Okay. So a timer will be set to answer each question. Siyempre, game po tayo, so kailangan nating lagyan ng timer dahil contest ito, dapat merong manalo. Ayan. Okay. If ever we have a person na mag-tie, I have prepared yung tie-breaking questions. So, yung rules for the tie-breaking, I will give kung if ever meron naman tayong mag-tie. Okay? Later, I will explain that. So, let's go back to accountingupgrade.com website para mas ma-digest natin siya. Okay? By the way, guys, okay lang ba ang ating discussion or meron pa bang questions regarding sa rules? Cancel. Sir, ilang seconds po ulit kada question? Depende. Kapag madali yung question, bibilisan ko lang siya. And then kapag mahirap or medyo need ng computation, medyo hahabaan ko siya. So hindi siya actually fixed na, for example, for this question, 10 seconds lang or 1 minute lang. Ganun. So specifically for each question, I will think of the correct timer. Okay? So let's now go to accountingupgrade.com website. Yan. Let's see. So here is the accountingupgrade.com website. So as you can see, we will use this page. So as you can see, the website here tells that the 5th accounting quiz show. So ito yung ginamit natin last time when we have our 5th accounting quiz show. So basically, ang ginawa natin para makasagot sa website is nag-click tayo ng start and then nag-enter tayo ng username, for example, Edgardo, and then nag-add tayo ng email, info@accountingupgrade.com, and then yung phone number natin para lang ma-distinguish. Yan. And then after adding, mag-proceed na tayo dito sa answering ng questions. So ngayon guys, dapat is wag nating madoble yung ganitong screen. Wag tayong magsagot ng doble kasi magkakaroon tayo ng -5 pag nagdoble. Okay? So dapat isang answer lang guys para hindi mahirapan mag-check. Okay? So ngayon, after question 1, let's say your answer is true, you can click next and then you can already answer the question number 2. So by the way, hindi naka-reflect dito yung answer. So i-announce ko lang yung answer at the end of the round. Also, hindi rin dito naka-reflect yung question because yung question is i-reflect natin sa slides. Okay? Question guys. Question. May question ba kayo? Question. Before we start guys, magtanong na po kayo. Question. Question number 1. Alright, dahil walang nagtatanong, I think clear ang ating quiz mechanics. Wala bang question? Allen, Patricia, Kensel, Nora, J-Real, Pamela? Walang question. Juvic? Okay, I think wala nang question, no? So let's ready guys, so we can start. So right now, ang uunahin natin is the easy level. The easy level, by the way, has 1 point. And on the average level, we have 2 points. And on the difficult level, we have 3 points. So wag kayong susuko guys because up to the difficult level, meron kayong pag-asang manalo. For example kasi, meron kayong na-miss na question or meron kayong hindi sigurado na question, huwag kayong susuko. Okay? So let's go guys to question number 1 on the easy level. Ready na? Ready na guys? Confirm ko lang ulit. Sir, nakalak pa rin po yung my 6th accounting quiz show. Ay, sorry. Let me activate that guys. Wait for a while. Let me activate it. So insert the short code. All right. Activated na guys. Kindly refresh your screen so that you can use the website. Okay? Ito po ba yung link? Yes, JV. Yung nasa taas yun yung link na gagamitin for answering ng mga questions. Okay? Can we go now to question number 1? Sir, please send lang Zoom link next time. Sure. Sige, next time isend ko yung Zoom link. Although, Alan, na-include ko yata siya sa description. Medyo mahaba lang kasi yung description, baka di nyo napansin. Although, next time, i-add ko yung Zoom link para maka-join directly. Okay? So let's go guys to question number 1. Naka-enter na kayo ng username, email, number. So let me just confirm before natin puntahan yung question number 1. Let me know guys sa comments para malinaw. If walang nag-comment, I think okay na kayo ha. So I'm waiting for your comment. Wala pong nagko-comment. So I think everyone is already fine with our link. Okay na ba guys? Okay na, cancel. Ayan. So let's just wait for the other participants kung okay na sila. So medyo na late siguro yung mga SLSU since it's their first time. na maka-join sa ating quiz. Ayan. So sabi ni Nora, okay na. Wala na po bang hahabol na question? Okay guys, let's proceed to question number 1. So the question number 1 is true or false? Question number 1. IA is 1, presentation of financial statements, sets out the overall requirements for financial statements, including how they should be structured, the minimum requirements for their content, and overriding concepts such as going concern, the accrual base of accounting, and the current, non-current distinction, and the prescribed format of the statement of financial position. The standard requires a complete set of financial statements to comprise a statement of financial position, a statement of profit or loss, and other comprehensive income, a statement of changes in equity, and a statement of cash flows. So the question is true or false? Ayan. So for this round, guys, medyo inisihan natin, binigyan natin ng mga mas easy na questions as compared sa last accounting quiz show. Ayan. May nagreklamo kasi last accounting quiz show na medyo nahirapan daw sila. So for this quiz show, medyo binawasan natin ang difficulty yung round. Okay? But again, nag-create tayo ng community post, survey, kung ilang questions ang gusto ninyo, and ang nanalo po is up to 20 questions. So for this event, we have 20 questions as compared from last time na 10 questions up to 14 questions lang tayo. Okay? So I think wala naman na nagko-comment for the question number 1 and kung paano gamitin yung website. So I think everyone is clear na, guys. So can we proceed to question number 2? Patricia? Instructor niya si Sir Alan Adriatico. Okay. Buti na lang na-refer ako ni Sir Alan. Ayan. Nora, saan ko lalagay answer? Okay na ba, Nora? Nakuha mo na yung link? Wala na bang question for the link? Alright. I think wala nang question for the link. But anyways, let me send it again, guys, here sa YouTube chat box. So if ever meron humabol, they can answer directly on the quiz show. Okay? So question number 2. Yun, teacher niya. Okay. Question number 2. Pasabi na lang, Nora, a very big thanks to Sir Alan. Ayan. Question number 2 is true or false? Unpaid dividends are presented on the equity section of the statement of financial position. True or false? So for the question number 2, medyo madali siya. So mabilis lang yung timer natin, guys. Question number 2, true or false? Unpaid dividends are presented on the equity section of the statement of financial position. Okay. Question number 2. I think you're already fine, guys, with question number 2. So we can proceed now to question number 3. Question number 3. If the partner has no agreement with regards to distribution of losses and profits, losses shall be distributed to capitalists and industrial partners by way of their capital contribution, according to the ratio of original capital investments, or in its absence, the ratio of the capital balances at the beginning of the year. So the question is, true or false? Ayan. Wala naman pong question so far. Walang comment so far. So I think everyone is going well and everyone is having an easy round. Nadadalian siguro si Allen dahil wala siyang question. Please repeat sa rules dahil nawala po signal ko kanina. Sorry, Allen. Anyways, yung rules natin, we will use itong website ng accountingupgrade.com, and then from there, you will put yung answer mo doon. So just enter your username, your email, and then your number. After that, you can proceed to answering yung questions. By the way, we are already on question number 3, and I hope na wala nang question since walang nagko-comment, guys. Okay? I think everyone is nagko-concentrate na ma-analyze yung question. Ayan. Pero guys, huwag mag-overthink ha. Okay, question number 4 on the easy round. Question number 4, financial statements are a structured representation with the objective of providing information about the financial position, financial performance, and cash flows of an entity that is useful to a wide range of users in making economic decisions. So the question number 4, let me repeat, guys. Financial statements are a structured representation with the objective of providing information about the financial position, financial performance, and cash flows of an entity that is useful to a wide range of users in making economic decisions. Ayan. Question number 4. Ayan. Nasa Cavite ka pala, Allen. Hi, Allen. Ako nasa Bicol ngayon. So kung makikita nyo, naka-black shirt ako ngayon kasi wala akong business attire. Umuwi ako ng province. Vacation, guys. Okay? Kaya nakikita nyo rin yung yung shadow nandito sa left side. Ayan. Kasi wala akong gamit na, wala ako sa office or wala ako sa bahay sa Manila. Okay? So, medyo easy siguro yung round 4. So, we can proceed na to question number 5. By the way, guys, that is the end of the easy round. And the next round is all about the average round. So, for average round, we have 2 points. So, kung may hindi kayo sure sa round 1, don't worry, guys, because we have round 2. Okay? So, this is for the average round. Question number 5. Underwriters are usually investment bankers who have agreed alone or with others to buy at stated terms an entire or substantial part of an issue of securities. Letter B, not guaranteed the sale of an issue by agreement to buy from the issuing corporation. Letter C, offered for sale the shares he has purchased from a controlling shareholder. And letter D, agreed to use his or her best efforts to market all or part of an issue. So the question number 5 is all about underwriters. So question number 5 is actually the exception. Hindi ko lang na-state, guys. Naputol. Pero ang question natin is exception. Okay? Let me just repeat, guys. The question is exception. Okay? Exception. Sir, iba po yung choices sa akin. JV. Iba po yung choices sa akin. Bakit iba po yung choices sa inyo? Ano po yung choices ninyo, JV? Nasa question number 5 na tayo, ah. Question number 5. Question number 5 is all about underwriters, and the question is exception. Let me just check, JV. Let's just pause for a while. Okay? Hi, Monica. Good evening. Let's just pause for a while, guys. Check natin ang issue ni JV. Okay. Let's question number 5. Ano, JV, ang choices nyo? JV. Meron bang concern yung iba, guys? Sa choices? Sir, baka ibang form po yung nabuksan ko. Sir, baka ibang form po yung nabuksan niya. Ito pong link na nandito sa sa chat box. Din po yung gamitin ninyo. Ayan. Chat ko ulit yung link, ha. Let me chat again, guys. Ayan. Yan yung accounting quiz show na 6th. Okay. Since okay na si Allen, I think we can proceed na, guys, to question number 6. Ready na ba, guys? Question number 6. Question number 6. Wala nang issue. Let me check. Dapat yung 6th accounting quiz show, sabi ni Cancel. Sabi ni JV, ayan. Hi, Diana. Ayan. So anyways, guys, let's now proceed to question number 6 for the average round. Ayan. So may pag-asa pa, guys, sa mga na-late, kung meron mang na-late. Still, on the average round, we have 2 points. Okay. For this question, an accounting principle has blank if it can be implemented without undue complexity or cost. So letter A, objectivity. Letter B, relevance. Letter C, feasibility. And letter D, due care. So the question number 6 is filled in the blank. Okay. Question number 6. May question pa po ba sa mga previous rounds, previous questions, choices, a link kung saan natin sasagot? Ayan. JV, okay na po. Hehe, nireload ko. Lagot, ba't nag-reload ka? Anyways, guys, kung okay na kayo sa question number 6, let me know, guys, so we can proceed to question number 7. All right. Anyways, while waiting for the number 7, let me share to you again na you can network, professionally network on this event, and right this time you can add some friends. For example, JB can add Princess, Cancel can add Melody, Melody can add Alan. Ayan. Just find them on LinkedIn, on Facebook, para meron kayong bagong friends, guys. Ako rin, hanapin nyo rin ako sa Facebook. Baka gusto nyo akong i-add. Baka lang. I'm not telling na i-add nyo ako. Alright. So let's just wait for a while. Hi, Johnny. Ayan. Let's just wait for a while. Hi, Johnny. So, bigyan ko kayo ng mga 2 minutes, guys, para magkaroon kayo ng bagong friends. Okay? Balikan ko kayo, ha? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes lang. Let's pause for a while. Ayan. May nahanap na ba kayo, guys, sa bagong friends? Actually, nalobat lang ako. Kinuha ko yung charger ko. Okay. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7. A professional accountant should not allow bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence of others to override professional or business judgments. So letter A, professional behavior. Letter B, objectivity. Letter C, professional competence and due care. And letter D, confidentiality. Let me repeat the question number 7. Question number 7 is a professional accountant should not allow bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence of others to override professional or business judgments. So that is the question number 7. Comments, guys. Kung meron kayong question. Good evening, Jenny. Cancel, sir, tuloy na lang po. Nagmamadali si Cancel. Binibilisan ko na cancel para maka-dinner ka na. Baka di ka pa nag-dinner. Ayan. Bilisan natin. Para maka-dinner na si Larvic. Alam ko naaabala ko kayo, guys. But bilisan lang natin ito. Okay. Let's go, guys, to question number 8. Hindi pa. Nahulaan ko, cancel. Ako rin, hindi pa. Question number 8. A threat to what fundamental principle is created when a professional accountant in public practice competes directly with a client or has a joint venture or similar arrangement with a major competitor of a client? So letter A, professional behavior. Letter B, objectivity. Letter C, professional competence and due care. And letter D, confidentiality. So that is the question number 8. So kung meron kayong comments, guys, just feel free to use the chat box. Pero ox lang po kahit matagal. I mean yung kanina po, 2-minute break. Okay? Oo, chill muna tayo para hindi ma-stress si Allen. Ayan. Last time kasi na-stress eh. So na-stress din ako. Kasi medyo mahirap daw yung questions. Para daw exam na ng finals. Ayan. So I think okay na kayo guys and we can proceed to question number 9. By the way guys, yung next question is a chain question. So hindi na siya isa-isa. So don't worry, matatapos natin ito on time para maka-dinner na kayo. Ayan, question number 9. Okay, since we are on a difficult level, 3 points na po dito. So kung meron kayong na-miss or late kayong pumasok or meron kayong hindi sure on the first and second round, meron pang pag-asa guys. Huwag kayong susuko. Okay? And alam ko naman na matatalino kayo since nakikita ko yung iba na top-notcher sa kanilang mga review center. Ayan. Shout out to Marites and yung iba hindi ko pa napansin. Nakita ko lang si Marites Tabilas. Ayan. Top 3 or top 2? Okay, difficult level. If Jackie has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total asset turnover of 1.65, and a profit margin of 5.2%, what is its ROE in percentage rounded to whole number? Okay, so that is the question number 9. So ito guys, again, is 3 points. So let me repeat the question. If Jackie Incorporated has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total asset turnover of 1.65, and a profit margin of 5.2%, what is its ROE in percentage rounded to whole number? Ayan. Sorry guys, medyo nahaluan ng ibang topic. But anyways, we need to go with the additional topic para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung show. Okay? So basically, ang announcement natin is basic and financial accounting pero medyo nagkaroon tayo ng konting talon lang naman. Mga konting lang, hap, ganun. Ayan. Sir, 20 questions po ulit. Yes, 20 question cancel. Pero chain question yung iba. Alright. Wala na po ba tayong question for the show, or wala na po bang comment for question number 9 so that we can proceed to question number 10? So let me know guys. So again, in percentage po siya and please round to whole number. So kung hindi nyo i-round sa whole number, ma-detect po siya ng system na mali. Ayan. So please round lang guys para ma-count siya ng system na tama. Okay? Alright. So let me know guys if you are fine with already with the question number 9 so that we can proceed to question number 10. Okay? Alright, walang question, walang comment. So I think everyone is doing well, doing fine. Cancel, doing fine. Larbik, doing fine. Princess, doing fine. Kakasabihin ni JV Basic. By the way, si JV yung ating quiz show winner last time. Congrats, JV. And sana manalo ka ulit this time. Okay? Diana, how are you? Alright. Di kaya ng net ko, sir. Oy. How sad. Hahaha. Hirap, sir. Kaya yan, JV. Alright. Okay, question number 9. I think you're all fine na with question number 9 so that we can proceed na to question number 10. By the way, yung question number 9 is magre-reflect pa rin naman sa question number 10. Good evening, Yel. Hi. Okay, so question number 10. So kung hindi niyo pa tapos yung question number 9, nandito naman yung question number 9 sa taas. So nandito yung question number 10 to 13, which is ito na yung sasagutin natin ngayon. Pero kung di nyo pa nasagutan yung number 9, pwede nyo siyang balikan since nandito naman yung question sa taas. Okay? Ang wala lang doon is itong total assets of 500,000. Just delete this for the purpose of question number 9. Okay? So for question number 10, if Jackie Incorporated has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total asset turnover of 1.65, total assets of 500,000, and the profit margin of 5.2%, rounded to whole number, the question number 10 is, how much is the total equity? And since related naman siya, the question number 11 is, how much is the net sales? And for question number 12, how much is the average total assets? And question number 13, how much is the net income? Ayan, medyo in-stress ko kayo ngayon, guys, since madali naman yung mga previous question. Okay? Sir, ask ko lang if pwede po pabalik sa previous question. Yung previous question, tanggalin mo lang yung total assets of 500,000 na praise dito, Allen. Yun na yung previous question. So the previous question is, how much is the ROE? Anyways, balikan natin, guys. Okay lang. Ayan, balikan natin. So for the final time, balikan po natin yung question number 9. So ang question po is, what is its ROE in percentage rounded to whole number? Okay? Question number 9. What is its ROE in percentage rounded to whole number? Okay, question number 10 na, guys. Let's go now to question number 10. Tanggalin nyo lang yung yung total assets of 500,000. Yun na yung question number 9. So for the question number 10, how much is the total equity? How much is the total equity? All right. Hindi na po pwedeng ibalik. Kasi pag nag-answer na kayo ng isang question, final answer niyo na 'yon. Hindi na po pwedeng bumalik sa previous question. Kapag nag-answer na kayo sa previous question and next nyo na siya, final na yung answer na 'yan. Bawal na po magbago. Okay? All right. Question number 10. How much is the total equity? Ayan. Anyways, itong question number 10 to 13 naman is take the 3 points. So 3 times 4, 12, and malaki pa yung pag-asa, guys. So again, let me repeat yung question. If Jackie Incorporated has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total asset turnover of 1.65, total assets of 500,000, and a profit margin of 5.2%, how much is the total equity? How much is the net sales? How much is the average total assets? How much is the net income? All right. 10 minutes ba? Cancel? Sige, medyo pinahirapan ko kayo eh. Sige, dagdagan natin ng time. Ayan. Hala, ano yun, Ray? Nagdat ka. Kaya yan, Ray. Ayan. Ray Mariel. By the way, guys, we are joined by many participants from SLSU. Dahil yan kay Sir Alan Adriatico. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Alan. Pasabi na lang sa kanya. All right. Let's just wait for some minutes, guys. And while waiting, I'll just read your chat here in the chat box. Okay? So 10 minutes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay na, Kensel? Let me know, guys, kung sino nang nakatapos para we can proceed na to question number 14. All right. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm willing to wait. All right. I'm willing to wait. Don't worry. Okay, okay. Ang daming SLSU, no? Sana sumali kayo lahat. Di siguro nakarating yung iba. And let me count, guys, kung ilan yung taga-SLSU. Pag nakuha mong friend to cancel, marami kang friend na taga-SLSU. Kilalanin mo sila. Ayan. Dami. We have 13, 14, 15. We have 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 34, 36, 37. We have 37 na nag-register from SLSU. Yeah. From Southern Leyte State University, San Juan. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for participating. Yeah. All right. May comment pa ba sa question number 10 to 13? Or okay na kayo, guys? So let me know if ready na tayo mag-start for another question. All right. By the way, habang naghihintay kayo, let me just repeat yung question. Dadahan-dahanin ko na. Ayan. So the question is, if Jackie Incorporated has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total asset turnover of 1.65, total assets of 500,000, and a profit margin of 5.2%, how much is the total equity? How much is the net sales? How much is the average total assets? And how much is the net income? Ayan. All right. So let's check kung meron pang comment. Nora, wait po. Sige po. I'm waiting. Ayan. Juvic, meron ka bang comment? Patricia, Nora, ayan. Siguro sabi ni Melo, the basic. Wala siyang comment. Ayan. All right. So let's just give some 2 minutes, I think, para we can proceed na to question number 14. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So 7:50 na ngayon, guys. And let's go to question number 14 by 7:52. Okay? 2 minutes. If Jackie Incorporated has an equity multiplier of 1.83, total assets turnover of 1.65, total assets of 500,000, and a profit margin of 5.2%, how much is the total equity? How much is the net sales? how much is the average total assets, and how much is the net income. All right. Hooray. Let's wait for Ray. And then for Larby, Princess, yan. Sige. So we have 1 minute pa, guys. All right. And by the way, invite niyo yung mga classmates you guys para mas marami tayo for the next accounting quiz show. Ayan. All right. Good evening, Rosie. Good evening, Angel. Ayan. We are on the question number 10 na. Ayan. Siguro hindi lang kayo nag-chat pero I think nagpa-participate na kayo. I'm checking dun sa mga draft answers and medyo marami na yung nag-answer. Okay? And don't forget to say hi to Sir Adriatico. Ayan. Medyo marami siyang na-invite pero I think hindi naman siya mag-aaral ng event. Master niya na yan eh. Master in accounting na yan. Si Sir Alan. All right. It's 7:52 na, guys. So we can proceed now to question number 14. Magpamali naman kayo kasi baka perfect nyo na yung round. Question number 14. Marie Equity Ventures, a vertically integrated company engaged in power generation, distribution, and energy supply, is one of the largest and private power producers in the Philippines. The generation group harnesses power from a right mixed portfolio of renewable, hydro, geothermal, and solar, and non-renewable coal and oil through its 46 generation facilities across the country. The company's hydro group is the pioneering industry leader in the development of small to medium hydroelectric plants over the past 39 years. So on December 31, 2021, the total revenue of MEB or Marie Equity Ventures is 223.93 billion pesos with selected normal balances of accounts as follow in billions. So it is in billions, guys. So cash amounting to 148 billion pesos, trade and other receivables amounting to 48 billion pesos, inventories amounting to 32 billion pesos, derivatives amounting to 1 billion pesos, other current assets amounting to 25 billion pesos, total current assets amounting to 254 billion pesos, total assets amounting to 734 billion pesos, total current liabilities amounting to 110 billion pesos, total non-current liabilities amounting to 296 billion pesos, share capital amounting to 57 billion pesos, and treasury shares amounting to 1 billion pesos. So the question is, how much is the retained earnings as of December 31, 2021? Ayan. So that is the question number 14. So ang isagot nyo, guys, is in whole amount. For example, 200 billion, 223,000,000,000,000,000. Ayan. Huwag kayong magsagot ng hundreds lang, ha? Ayan. Okay. So the question number 14 is how much is the retained earnings as of December 31, 2021? Alright. Baka na-perfect nyo na, guys. So okay lang na mamali kayo for this next number. Baka ma-perfect nyo and maraming manalo. Maraming magta-tie break. Okay. Meron pa ba, guys, comment for the question number 14? Alright, let me mention the question number 15. So since it is a chain question, question number 15 is how much is the applicable income tax rate for this corporation in percentage. So no need to state na yung percentage, just put the income tax rate. For example, 28%, just put 28. or 30%, just put 30, or 35%, just put 35. Okay? So question number 16 is, in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the total assets of the corporation shall not exceed by how much? Ayan. So by the way, guys, just a short background. Itong Marie Equity Ventures is actually a background of Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Ayan. So actually, Aboitiz Equity Ventures is very well known, a publicly listed corporation here in the Philippines, and the number one talaga sila when it comes to power generation, distribution, and energy supply. So partially owed the Aboitiz Equity Ventures ang Union Bank, yan, Aboitiz Power Corporation, as in the Aboitiz Power Magat, as in the Aboitiz Power Benguet, Headcore, and marami pang iba. Meron din silang Pilmico, and Snappress. So when it comes to power generation, distribution, Aboitiz Equity Ventures yan. Okay? So kasama yan lagi ng PLDT and Aboitiz Equity Ventures sa mga top corporations worldwide. And mabanggit sila sa Forbes list. By the way, guys, na-mention ko pala ito in today's event kasi ito yung naging client ko previously sa SGV. Okay? All right. So for the question number 6, for the question number 14, 15, and 16, okay na ba kayo, guys? Wala na bang comment? Or wala na bang clarifications? Or since okay, hindi pa daw po, sabi ni Cancel. Wait lang po. All right, mga 5 minutes. Mga 5 minutes. Kaya lang baka gutom pa na Cancel. By the way, guys, I will open a new survey para ma-check ko kung feasible ba talaga itong time na to. Or baka kasi itong time na to is nagdi-dinner pa lang kayo or may ginagawa pa kayo. Baka kasi mas feasible yung 8 o'clock tayo mag-start or 9 o'clock tayo mag-start. Since yung mga, syempre yung mga students usually, mga late yung matulog eh. Usually 10 or 11, gano'n. Baka mas feasible yung other time. So magpa-community post ako sa YouTube, and then again, I will wait yung mga comment ninyo kung ano yung preferred time ninyo para if ever, ma-adjust natin, guys, para mas maraming makasali. Okay? And para perfect din yung time. Alright. Question number 14, 15, and 16. So let's give another mga 2 minutes pa siguro from the last chat ni Cancel. Ayan. Alright. Mga 2 minutes pa. So, sa 801. Okay. 801. So let me repeat, guys, the question. So Marie Equity Ventures, a vertically integrated company engaged in power generation, distribution, and energy supply, is one of the largest private power producers in the Philippines. The generation group harnesses power from a right-mixed portfolio of renewable, hydro, geothermal, and solar, and non-renewable coal and oil sources through its 46 generation facilities across the country. The company's hydro group is the pioneering industry leader in the development of small to medium hydroelectric plants over the past 39 years. So on December 31, 2021, the total revenue of MEB is 223.93 billion pesos with selected normal balances of accounts as follow in billions. So cash amounting to 148 billion pesos, trade and other receivables amounting to 48 billion pesos, inventories amounting to 32 billion pesos, other current assets amounting to 25 billion pesos, derivatives amounting to 1 billion pesos, total current assets amounting to 254 billion pesos, total assets amounting to 734 billion pesos, total current liabilities amounting to 110 billion pesos, total non-current liabilities amounting to 296 billion pesos, share capital amounting to 57 billion pesos, and treasury shares amounting to 1 billion pesos. So the question is, how much is the retained earnings as of December 31, 2021? So please put it in billions. For example, 1,000,000,000. Yan. So don't just state yung piso or 57 pesos. Yan. State niyo yung whole amount. And the question number 15 is, how much is the applicable income tax rate for this corporation in percentage? For example, 40%, just put 40. Or if it is 35%, just put 35. And in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, the total assets of the corporation shall not exceed by how much? Actually, guys, na-mention natin to last accounting quiz show. So I think na-research nyo na to kung sakali man na hindi kayo sure dun sa answer nyo last time. Okay? So I believe na mas kinabisan nyo yung income tax rate. Alright? So let's now proceed to question number 17. Para matapos na guys itong 6th accounting quiz show. Okay? Meron pa bang comment? Sir, Hinay Net. Hi, Regine. Hola. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigo. Parang nag-i-Spanish ka. Good evening po, sir. Late kayo. Poor internet connection. Oy, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Next time, mag-create ako ng backup para hindi tayo ma-interrupt for the internet connection. Okay? Anyways, we just have 3 questions. So I think we can proceed now to question number 17. Can we proceed na, guys? Ayan. Question number 17. Mahinay Corporation has a net working capital of 1,965 pesos, current liabilities of 5,460 pesos, and inventory amounting to 2,170 pesos. Round to 2 decimal places. Ayan. So what is the current ratio? And what is the quick ratio? So that is the questions number 17 and question number 18. Okay? All right. So for example, I mean round to 2 decimal places. For example, 13.65 6571. Just put 13.16. Okay? Or for example, 10.978, just put 10.98. So for question number 17 is what is the current ratio, and question number 18 is what is the quick ratio. Okay. So let me repeat for the question number 17 and 18. So for example, 14.988, just put 14.99. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Naputol yung networking capital. Let me just hide yung yung video. Let me just hide for a while. All right. Ayan. Nakita nyo na, guys? So the amount of working capital, the net working capital is 1,965 pesos. Okay. So let me repeat, guys. If the amount is 14.988, just put 14.99. Or for example, 13.966, just put 13.97. Okay? Just round it to 2 decimal places. So the question is, what is the current ratio and what is the quick ratio? Can we proceed na guys to question number 19? Hi Krisha, good evening. All right. I think okay na, no? Wala nang question. Cancel. Wait. Sir, wait. Okay. Willing to wait. All right. Willing to wait. Sige, sige. Let's put another 3 minutes. Okay na ba yung 3 minutes, guys? All right. Mahinay. So si Mahinay is our participant coming from saang school ka, Mahinay? Let me check, guys, kung saang school si Mahinay. 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 Mahinay is also from Southern Leyte State University. Yan. Isa siya sa na-invite ni Sir Alan Adriatico. And thanks, guys, for participating on this event. And konti na lang and matatapos na tayo. We are already on the question number 18. 2 questions na lang and mag-e-end na naman yung ating accounting quiz show. Larbic, wala. Sobrang delay ko na po talaga. Sorry, Larbic. Anyways, nag-extend naman tayo, Larbic, ng konting time so that you can answer yung question pa rin kahit malate yung transmission sa'yo. Okay? Yes, 2 decimal. For example, 14.988. Just put 14.99. Okay? Good evening, Yang. All right. Meron pa po bang comment? Or everyone is doing well na for this question number 17 and 18? Hinayaman sa signal, sir. Good evening, sir. Karon ka po kay Sud. Sige, I will just pause for a while. Magpalit lang ako ng signal. Ayan. Magpalit lang ako ng signal. Habang nag-wait kayo, just compute it and then wait for me around siguro mga 2 minutes. Mag-online ako agad. Okay? Putulin ko lang saglit. Ayan. I think you're all fine na, guys. Okay na ba? Mary, Angel Tesado. Good evening, sir. Sorry for late attending because of the internet connection problem. Okay lang, Mary. Good evening, sir. Karon papud kasud hinay signal. Sorry po, Tagalog lang intindihan ko. And English. Medyo panibago sa akin yung mga words. Ayan. Anyways, guys, sorry for na mahina yung signal. Next time, mag-create ako ng backup. Ngayon kasi nahirapan ako mag-switch kasi naka-on nga pala yung yung camera. And naka-on din yung internet connection dito. So baka pag nag-switch tayo, maputo itong yung live stream. Ayan. Good evening, Leia. Good evening, Jenny. Ayan. So let me know, guys, kung meron nang nakatapos sa question number 17 and 18. So kung meron nang nakatapos, I think we can proceed na to question number 19. Allen, sabi ni Allen, lipat na kayo sa Manila. Bayad ko pamasahe. Joke lang po. Mahal, Allen, maraming participants. Sabagay, kung mayaman ka naman. Anichi. Good evening, Anichi. Ayan. Cancel. Baka sa kanila lang po yung mahina. Siguro. Meron kasing interruption minsan sa ibang lugar. Pero sa iyo, cancel, malinaw naman yung yung audio ko and yung screen. Hindi naman siya delayed. Larvic, on net namin yung may problem. Okay. Leia, per internet connection po sa amin. Wala naman pong delay sa live nyo. Okay. Sige. Alright. I think we can proceed na, guys, to question number 19. Ayan. Para naman makapag Facebook na kayo. Joke lang. Baka mag-aaral pala kayo. Or mag-a-attend kayo sa church or magluluto kayo or kakain na kayo. Yan. Joke lang yan. Okay. Question number 19. Computation again, guys, and let me remind you that it is worth 3 points. Okay? So question number 19 is Rhea May Corporation had the following account balances at December 31, 2021. Cash in bank amounting to 1 million pesos. Cash set aside for bonds payable due on July 30, 2022 amounting to 2 million pesos. Time deposit amounting to 2 million pesos. Savings deposit budgeted for dividends payable on June 30, 2022 amounting to 4 million pesos. So the question is the total amount to be reported on Rhea's cash and cash equivalents as of December 31, 2021 is. Ayan. So the question number 19 is computation again, guys. So let me know kung meron pa rin kayong delay or comment regarding sa question number 19. So question number 19 is actually on the first topics of financial accounting, which is nasa coverage naman siya ng exam natin, guys. Alright. So I think walang masyadong question for the question number 19 or walang masyadong comment. So we can proceed na to question number 20. The last question of this 6th accounting quiz show. And by the way, guys, attend kayo ulit sa next event. Invite niyo yung mga friends nyo para mas marami kayong kalaban. Okay? More friends, mas maraming kalaban, and mas may enjoy niyo yung show. Okay? And again, guys, thank you for subscribing. And we already reached yung 1,000 subscribers. And that is with the help nyo, guys. Okay? By the way, special mention to Cancel na nag-add sa akin sa kanyang special group sa Facebook. Ayan, bigla akong naging admin ng kanyang group na Accountant Unite. So you can join, guys, yung Accountant Unite. Kaya pala maraming friends si Cancel kasi meron siyang minamanage na group. Okay. Lorena. Good evening, Lorena. Alright. Walang nagko-comment for question number 19. So mukhang nadalian kayo sa question number 19. So I think we can proceed na, guys, to the last question of this round, which is question number 20. Alright. I'll just wait for some minutes or 1 minute pa, I think, since baka may delay sa mga taga-Southern Leyte ngayon. Parang they are experiencing the same issue. Okay? So question number 19. Let me just read it again and we will now move to question number 20. Okay. Question number 19 is Rhea May Corporation had the following account balances at December 31, 2021. Cash in bank amounting to 1 million pesos, cash set aside for bonds payable due on July 30, 2022 amounting to 2 million pesos, time deposit amounting to 2 million pesos, and savings deposit budgeted for dividends amounting to 4 million pesos. The total amount to be reported on Rhea's cash and cash equivalents as of December 31, 2021 is, ayan. So, let me check again yung mga comments. Ayan, walang comments. So, let's now proceed, guys, to question number 20. So, this is the last question of this accounting quiz show. Ayan. And I hope that everyone is very energetic until this very last question. So, kung meron kayong hindi sigurado from last questions, from 1 to 19, meron pang last question, which is number 20, na alam ko na kaya-kaya niyong sagutin. Okay? So the question number 20 is, on December 31, 2021, John Corporation has a debit balance in its cash and cash equivalents, the analysis of which are shown in the table below. So undeposited collections amounting to 60,000 pesos, cash in Metrobank checking account amounting to 500,000 pesos, cash in Union Bank overdraft amounting to 100,000 pesos, negative, and then undeposited NSF check received from a customer dated December 28, 2021 amounting to 100,000 pesos, undeposited check from a customer dated January 2, 2022 amounting to 60,000 pesos, and then money market instruments, which is 90 days, amounting to 100,000 pesos, restricted cash foreign bank amounting to 200,000 pesos, IOUs from employees amounting to 90,000 pesos, and sinking fund amounting to 100,000 pesos. So the question is the cash and cash equivalents to be reported as of December 31, 2021 amount to, ayan, Rachel. Sa amin po ata yung mahina yung net, sir. Hindi po yung sa'yo. Alright. Buti naman. Okay. Hi, sir. Hi, Leonor. Good evening, Lorena. Good evening, Justin. Ayan. Okay. So, let me know, guys, if you're already fine with question number 20. By the way, this is, again, 3 points for this question, and ito yung last question for the 6th accounting quiz show. So see you again, guys, for the next accounting quiz show. Ayan. Alright. Sir, wait lang po. Of course, cancel. I will wait for you. So let's give another 2 minutes. So let's end at 8:21 p.m. for the question number 20. Yan. So, meron daw undeposited collections. So, hindi sinabi kung kailan na-kolekta. Ayan. Cash in Metrobank, 500,000. Cash in Union Bank, kaya lang overdraft, amounting to 100,000. Merong undeposited, no sufficient fund check na na-receive from customer, which is dated December 28, 2021, amounting to 100,000. And meron namang undeposited check from a customer dated January 2, 2022, post-dated, ayan, amounting to 60,000 pesos. And merong money market instruments amounting to 100,000 pesos. Restricted cash in foreign bank amounting to 200,000 pesos. IOUs from employees amounting to 90,000 pesos. And sinking fund amounting to 100,000 pesos. So how much is the cash and cash equivalents to be reported as of December 31, 2021? So let's have another 1 minute, so 8:21. And then we can now check, guys, kung sino yung nanalo dito sa 6th accounting quiz show. Alright, let's just wait for some seconds para ma-end itong ating round for the difficult level. Alright. Lorena, good evening, sir. Lenore, hi, sir. All right, we are on the question 20, which is the last question of this accounting quiz show. Ayan. By the way, guys, I'm so happy na maraming umattend today. And I hope na we can see each other again next accounting quiz show. Medyo nawala yung ating mga winners last time, no? Si RG, si Jessa. Jessa. Parang hindi kita nakita, Jessa. And si Monha, parang nawala din ngayon. Baka may exam ulit. Baka nasaktuhan ng Friday ang exam. And then si Christopher. Siguro may exam din. Si Jan, baka nasa rally pa. Joke lang. Last time kasi nasa rally si Jan. I mean, ano ba yung rally na yun? Ano siya? Hindi siya actually rally. Ano ba tawag doon? Campaign. Sorry, campaign. Jessa. Hi, Jessa. Nandiyan ka pala. Ayan. Na-late lang po. Alright. Good evening, Jessa. Sana manalo ko ulit this time. Okay. So I think wala na comment, guys. It's 8:22 p.m. and you can submit na yung final answer nyo sa Accounting Upgrade website. So ang gagawin ko ngayon, guys, I will extract yung result para makita natin kung sino yung mga tumama sa round. Okay? So I'll just explain shortly yung answer kung paano na-arrive each question para you have the visibility and of course, for the transparency na rin yung accounting quiz show. So actually, from the last accounting quiz shows, after each question, ina-announce ko na kung ano yung tamang answer. But for this time, since dumadami na kasi yung participant, medyo hassle kung iisa-isahin natin na na i-check yung mga participants, yung mga answers ng participants, baka abutin tayo ng mga 3 hours. Ayan. So, binago natin from last time. So, ang ginawa natin ngayon, we officially used na yung Accounting Upgrade website para ma-host yung questions. And then, after ng question, ma-check na rin agad kung sino yung tumama. And then, after that, we can have a tie-breaking round. Okay? Ayan. Nalate si Jessa, pero magaling yan. Baka manalo pa yan. Okay. So, okay na ba? Nakasubmit na kayo, guys? So, I will extract na kung ano yung mga answers ninyo. So, okay na ba? I'll just wait for your confirmation so that I can extract from the website yung mga answers ninyo. Okay? So, I'll just wait for a comment from you guys. Alright. Walang nagko-comment. Silence means yes? Ganun ba yun? Silence means yes? Or, wala pa rin nagko-comment. Alright. I think I will extract na yung result. Export answer. So, wala nang hahabol, guys, ha? Wala na talaga? Wala na? Allen, baka po, sir. Oo, silence means yes nga. Wala na kasing nagre-react. Submitted ka na ba, Allen? Submitted na yung sa'yo, Allen. Silence means yes. Yeah. Okay. Alright, alright. Siguro mga bilangan ko kayo ng 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan. Sir, good evening po. Ayan, okay na si Kensel. May nag-react na. Okay. So, let's end na, guys, yung question number 20. Okay? So, right now, I will extract yung answers ninyo and plot na rin kung ano yung time na na-end natin yung submission. So, the time right now is 8:25 p.m. Okay? So, I'll mark it here, 8:25 p.m. So, yung 8:25 p.m., yun yung ating marker para dun sa mga magsasubmit. Okay? Sabi ni Allen, announce na lang po yung winners agad after sa answers po, sir. For the benefit of all, announce natin yung yung mga correct answer. Para maintindihan nila yung Yung iba kasi nagre-review ng board exam, yung iba naman meron silang review ng sa kanilang school, or maybe yung iba attending din ng quiz show. So it's better na ma-share natin yung yung reason kung bakit yung naging answer. Okay? Sige, kahit hindi ko na siguro i-post yung yung mga specific answers, but explain ko na lang kung ano yung tamang answer for each question. Okay? Para mas mabilis. Okay, let's now go back to question number 1. Ayan. Question number 1 is actually false. Why? Bakit false? Ayan. Bakit false? Kasi po, ang IAS 1 po is hindi siya nagpe-prescribe ng format ng statement of financial position, and that makes the question false. Okay? Question number 2. Unpaid dividends are presented on the equity section of the statement of financial position. No, it's unpayable po. Ayan. Question number 3. If the partner has no agreement with regards to the distribution of losses and profits, losses shall be distributed to capitalists and industrial partners by way of their capital contribution, or in its absence, the ratio of the capital balances at the beginning of the year. So, ang nagpamali po is industrial partner. Huwag nyo na pong i-share sa loss yung industrial partner. Okay? Comment. Ayan. Cancel. Sir, pasabi po yung mga tumama kada question. Aha. Sige. Sige. Sabihin ko pa rin. Pero bilisan lang natin Okay. Let me extract, guys. For a while, please. Okay. Export. Ayan. So, wait lang, guys. It's loading. So, for question number 1, sorry. Sorry, hindi ko na-hide yung niya. Personal information. Ayan. So, for the question number 1, ayan. Tumama po si JV. Aha. Ayan naman si JV. Ayan, hindi na extract yung ibang ibang nagsagot. Pero anyways, we can see naman yan, guys, later. So, hindi ko na i-announce yung kung sino yung mga tumama for this question. Makikita nyo naman siya later sa sa dashboard kung sino yung mga tumama. Okay? And actually, lumabas na rin siya dun sa ninyo, dun sa last interface ng website. And also, i-reflect ko din siya later sa website para malaman nyo yung mga correct answer. Later, i-add ko sa website yung mga whole questions and correct answer. Ayan. Para kung gusto nyo balikan, you can see it, guys. Okay? For this time, since 8:30 na, we need to rush since alam kong marami pa kayong gagawin. Okay? All right. Let's now proceed to question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is true. It is actually the definition of financial statement. Okay? Ayan. So question number 5. Question number 5, ang sagot po is not guaranteed. Because itong lahat na ito yung usually na ginagawa ng underwriters. They agree to buy at the stated terms, the entire or substantial part of an issue of securities, and they guarantee the sale of an issue by agreement to buy from the issuing corporation. Ayan. So, ang exception po is itong letter B. Okay? Question number 6. Objectivity po ang sagot. Feasibility. Feasibility po. Ayan. And then 7, objectivity po ang sagot. Ayan. Alright. Limited lang kasi yung nakuha kong na extra ko na answer. Pero anyways, makikita ko naman yung mga tumama dun sa screen. And ipopost ko later yung mga tumama after kong ma-announce itong mga answer dito sa round. Okay? Meron ba kayong comment, guys? Or violent interaction? Or any other question? So far, ang tumama po sa number... Anong number tayo? Number 7 is si... Number 7. Maraming tumama. Marami pong tumama. Ayan. So let's go, guys, to question number 8. So number 7, letter B po, number 7. So let's go, guys, to question number 8. Question number 8. A threat to what fundamental principle is created when a professional accountant in public practice competes directly with a client or as a joint venture or similar arrangement with a major competitor of a client? Letter B po, objectivity din ang sagot. Okay? Question number 9. Sorry guys, medyo hindi natin announce yung mga correct question. So number 9 is about equity multiplier, which is 1.83, asset turnover of 1.65, and profit margin of 5.2%. So what is its ROE or return on equity? So ang sagot po is 16%. Ayan. So yung formula, i-post ko na lang siguro dun sa event. Dun sa accounting upgrade website para hindi natin i-discuss. Pero yung other question dito, i-discuss natin. Ayan. So how much is the total equity? Since ma-arrive natin itong 500,000, ma-arrive na rin natin yung mga sunod na tanong dito sa question number 10, 11, 12, and 13. So for question number 9, you can just specify a sample total asset, for example, 300,000. Ayan. So pwedeng yun yung gamitin ninyo and ma-arrive nyo na yung 16% na answer sa question number 9. So ang sagot po sa question number 9 is 16%. And for question number 10, ang sagot po is 273,224. And so anyways, let me check kung may tumama po sa question number 9. Ayan. May tumama sa question number 10. Si JB and si Kenzel. Question number 9. Yes, may tumama po. Si Edelo, 55. Sino si Edelo 55? Ba't kayo nagtatago? Ayan. So question number 12. How much is the average total assets? Ang sagot po is 500,000 pesos. Ayan. 500,000 pesos. May tumama po. Ayan. Si Baby J. Real. Tama siya sa question number 12. Galing. Okay. Any comment, guys? Just let me know. I'm reading your chats. Sino po tumama sa 11 at 12? Ayan. Ang tumama po sa 11 at 12 based dun sa na-extract ko pero hindi pa ito yung full list is si sino tumama? Si JV and si Baby Jeriel. Yeah. Very good. And for the question number 13, how much is the net income? So question number 12, ang sagot po natin is 500,000, just to repeat. And number 13 is 782,100. Ayan. Okay. And for the question number 14, ang answer po is, sinong tumama sa question number 14? Wow. Question number 14. Ang sagot po is 272 billion pesos. Ayan. So, dineduct lang natin yung current liabilities and current liabilities, share capital, treasury shares sa total asset. Okay? So, 734 minus 110 minus 296 minus 57 plus 1. Ayan, yun na po yung sagot, which is 272 billion pesos. Okay? And then how much is the applicable income tax rate for this corporation? Ayan, so 25% po since under create law. And in order to qualify for the 20% income tax rate, so the total assets, which is na-question po natin siya last event, is 100 million pesos. Ayan. So, baka perfect na ni Cancel. Ay, hindi na po natin i-divide sa 2. Christian. Hindi na kasi assume na average total asset yun. Kasi kung i-divide pa natin sa 2, wala naman tayong comparable data. Okay? Cancel. Sir, sa 11 lang po. Based dito sa data natin, ang tumama sa question number 11 is, ano nga ba? Question number 11. Si A227K89C0. Grabe yung niya. Username. And then si Cancel. Tama ka, Cancel, sa number 11. Very good, Cancel. Parang nag-review ka ng ng ibang topic. Yeah. All right. Let's now proceed, guys, to question number ano na tayo? 17. Okay. Question number 17. Ang sagot po is 1.36 for the current ratio. And question number 18, 0.96 for the quick ratio. Okay? Yeah. So, ang mga tumama, medyo marami po. Alright. Question number 19. Ang sagot po natin is 9 million. Okay? So, current na po siya lahat. So, ilagay na po natin siya sa cash. Okay? And for the question number 20, ang sagot po is 660,000 pesos. So, let's include itong undeposited collections, cash in Metro Bank. Huwag natin include to. And then, include natin yung money market instruments. And yun lang. Ayan. So, it's 660,000 pesos. Okay? All right. Questions. Questions, Cancel. Questions, JV. Yes, acknowledge pa rin si Cancel. Galing talaga ni Cancel. Ayan. So guys, ang gagawin natin is i-refresh lang natin itong page ng accountingupgrade.com. So let me just update the website. So for a while, please. So let me just add a short code para ma-refresh natin yung site. Okay? So updating. And then you can refresh na guys yung page ng accounting upgrade para makita niyo yung final result. Okay? So while checking you guys, I will flash it in the screen. All right. So I will flash on the screen the accountingupgrade.com website. All right. So na-refresh niyo na ba guys? So ngayon, kapag na-refresh nyo, makikita nyo kung sino ang nanalo for this accounting quiz show event. Ayan. So be ready guys, para kung may magta-tiebreaker, matapos natin yung tie-breaking round. Okay? So I'll flash it on the screen para matapos na natin yung quiz show. At habang tumatagal yung quiz show natin, we are on the 6 now, parang mas mahaba yung ating event. Last time, we just started sa 1 hour. Ngayon, last quiz show, nag-start din tayo sa 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ngayon, ano na tayo? 1 hour and 41 minutes na. So next time, pilitin ko na paikliin siya, guys. Okay. So let's determine who is the winner of this 6th accounting quiz show. Ayan. So we have Nora Lynn, who is 68.75%. Wow. And followed by Christian, which is 62.5%, and Cancel, which is 52.08%. Wow, congrats, Cancel. Congrats, Christian. Congrats, Nora Lynn. Ayan. I think we have a clear winner, guys. So, I think hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng tie-breaking round. Again, congratulations, Nora Lynn. But anyways, let me just check it, guys, later. Baka kasi may mga na doble, magma-minus ako ng 5. So, kung meron changes, I will just announce it later para ma-announce ko kung sino talaga yung magiging final winner. Although, alam ko naman, guys, na hindi kayo umulit. Pero if ever merong na-lose ng connection and nag-ulit, ibigyan natin ng minus 5. Okay? That is our punishment para sa nag-ulit. Okay? Anyways, congrats again, Nora Lynn, and you made a very, very good result in the 6th accounting quiz show. And for today's event, of course, hindi natin malilimutan, guys, yung nag-refer ng marami, which based on sa registration page is to Sir Alan Adriatico. So I hope na makuha ko yung details niya para mabigay ko sa kanya yung price for his referral on this event. So pa-share na lang, guys, sa chat box. Ayan, kung paano ko siya mako-contact or paano ko ma-reach yung Gcash niya or yung address niya for this event. Okay? And again, guys, see you on the next event. On the next event siguro bawasan natin yung questions para mas ma-explain ko yung yung mga answer. Pag medyo mahaba pala, hindi ko na ma-explain masyado yung answer kasi masyado na nagmamadali yung lahat. Okay? All right. Again, congrats Nora Lynn and congrats Sir Alan Adriatico. Okay. Thank you, guys, for participating and see you again next time. I hope na meron din kayo mga na-add na friends. All right. Thank you, guys, and bye-bye. Sabi ni Cancel, 16 questions na lang po, sir. Nahirapan siguro din si Cancel, sobrang dami. Medyo matagal din siya i-commit, no? Bawasan natin next time, guys. Medyo mahaba nga naman yung 20 questions. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize. Sorry. Nag-almost 2 hours na tayo eh. And kung yung iba di nag-dinner, nako, baka na-stress na rin masyado. Okay. Sige, bawasan na lang natin, guys, next time para hindi kayo masyado ma-stress because it's Friday. And of course, thanks God it's Friday. Ayan. Okay. Again, thank you, guys, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Yung mga price, I will just send it to you, guys. We'll communicate to you privately. Okay?